Ahmedabad is the quintessential Indian city. The people are eager to give you directions. Cows and vehicles peacefully coexist. The narrowest of lanes lead to the tallest of buildings, and the traffic is haphazard.
But like any other Indian city, everything functions in perfect harmony. I'm your fellow traveler Sumeru, and welcome to the beautiful city of Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad is the largest city in the state of Gujarat. It is located in western India on the banks of the river Sabarmati.
There are many things to do and places to visit in Ahmedabad. But if you were to come here and visit that one place, which would give you a true sense of the city, its culture, its people, and most importantly its food, that one defining place would certainly be Manik Chowk, which is where I shall take you today. Yeah,
Manik Chowk is a prominent city square located in the heart of Ahmedabad. It is an experience for all your senses. The main square, filled with various activities throughout the day, is connected by road that branches off into assorted markets selling silver, cloth, utensils and more.
And this is how the main Manik Chowk square looks.
The history of Ahmedabad in many ways begins with the history of Manik Chowk.
Manik Chowk derived its name from a saint named Baba Manik Nath, who lived here in this very place over 600 years ago. Today it's a temple and his descendants manage this place.
Legend has it that Baba Manik Nath used his magical powers to stop King Ahmad Shah from building this city in early 15th century.
This huge door right behind me leads to the Badshanu Haziro, which is the tomb of King Ahmad Shah. Ahmad Shah is the man who founded the city in 1411 AD. And the Badshanu Haziro is right opposite the Rani Haziro.
It is incredible that architecture of such historical significance lies right in the middle of all the modern day chaos here at Manik Chowk. But the most fascinating thing about the Manik Chowk square is that it undergoes 3 transformations in a single day. It is a vegetable market early in the morning, a bullion market in the noon, and
a hustling and bustling street food joint at night. This to me, like most of the Ahmedabadis, is the best part of Manik Chowk. It doesn't take too much to guess that Ahmedabadis take their food very seriously.
Bhaji Pav and pizza. I love pizza here. It's awesome.
So any particular joint that you like regularly come and that is your favorite place?
Mahalakshmi Bhaji.
Okay.
the foods drawn from all over the country are localized to cater to the Gujarati palate. It's one hell of a food fest, night after night.